Health Break is brought to you by South Central Regional Medical Center in Laurel.
South Central Regional Medical Center's goal is always to provide the most innovative and effective treatment available. One of the newest ways they do this for joint replacement patients is with Joint Camp. Dr. Richard O'Keefe Jr. explains their comprehensive Joint Camp program.
Let's say you have an individual who needs to have a hip replacement or a knee replacement. In the days before the times of Joint Camp, people would be told by their doctor what to expect when they come into the hospital. They talk about the operation and a little bit about the rehabilitation afterwards. But they didn't necessarily know what the hospital looked like. Maybe they'd never been in the hospital before. They didn't really know what was going to happen while they were in the hospital, except that they were going to do this thing called physical therapy. They didn't know about some of the machines that they'd be working with while they were in the hospital. Joint Camp is an opportunity for the patients to learn all of those things in the hospital setting. They come into the hospital, they have classes with the nurses and physical therapists who are actually going to be working with them in the hospital. They get to see what a hospital room looks like. They get to see what the physical therapy gym at the hospital looks like. They get a very good feeling for what they will be doing while they're in the hospital. They'll often look at videos to see what kind of things they'll be going through. And what we find is that when people come into the hospital knowing what to expect and being prepared for it, they're much more comfortable with the process. They get better much more quickly, and they do much better. But most importantly, they're extremely, extremely happy that they had the opportunity to go through this Joint Camp. I'll tell you, if I ever need to have a joint replaced, I'm going to Joint Camp first.
For more information about Joint Camp, call 601-426-4279 or visit scrmc.com. For Health Break, I'm Catherine Farah.
Health Break was brought to you by South Central Regional Medical Center in Laurel.